Did we start it? Oh, I started it. My bad. What's up, guys? So, we're going to get a quick check in. Alright, we're going to see what's good. And, I don't know. I'm a bit tired, a bit groggy this morning, I think is the word I'm looking for. But, we're going to see what's good and what's going on. Alright, bottom of the deck, we have the High Priestess. Is this something you're not telling me? Is this how we're starting this day off? Right? Okay. Interesting. Somebody knows something I don't know. I wonder what it is. Queen of Pentacles. With the Three of Pentacles. Alright, so we got 4 Pentacles on the table. Alright, so overall, somebody got something they would like to say, right? Right? Maybe they're doing some sort of sneaking around, hermiting, cloaked up in your energy, possibly wanting to cooperate with you, but you're over here focused on the bag, focused on whatever your craft may be. Could be work, could be your family, I don't know, whatever you're really nurturing. Looks like they want to balance the scales and possibly pull themselves out of the cold with the Five of Pentacles here. Now, I literally just had an intro, but I canceled it. I was like, nah, we good. And I was like, I feel somebody's energy around me, but I can't put my finger on it, right? I feel it around me. Talking to a homie the other day, she's like, yeah, the exes are popping back. I'm like, nah, I don't know what you're talking about. You feel me? We already cleared everything up. We're cool, all my exes and everything. So I'm like, what is this? Alright, so who could possibly want to pull themselves out of the cold? Let's see what's going on with that. Alright. Seven of Swords. Somebody sneaking around collecting information. They seem to be in their head for whatever reason. I don't know what's going on with that. I wonder what they're seeing. Okay. They want to move in with the swiftness. They do want to come in, talk, cooperate, be on the same page. They definitely do. They see you. They see your abundance. They see you're successful. Alright, maybe there was some sort of painful ending going on here. And they're possibly manifesting you. There's a lot going on here. This deck's doing a lot of talking. Let's keep moving. Let's just keep moving. Alright. Alright. So, it's looking like the choices that they made actually ended them not feeling too hot about the decisions they've made. Alright? They're actually a bit sad, upset, and in their feels. Alright, looks like they charged in somewhere else possibly to give to them. And with that, they made a bad decision because now the energy they actually want to come back to or, give to, work with, cooperate with is a bit defensive towards them. Or at least that's what they're thinking. Alright, they're in their head about this. They haven't quite figured it out just yet. Alright? So this Queen of Swords, are they solid? Are they firm? Is this really what's going on in this situation? Or are they just thinking about all this stuff? I don't even know right now. It's so swordsy. Okay. Alright. Very swordsy. Alright. Very swordsy. So this guy's really in his head. Really in his thoughts. Alright. Oh, so that's the secret we don't know. Though the cycle is closed and you're not really in cahoots with homie, the truth is you hold the cup to their heart. And they want a new beginning with you. Not only do they want a new beginning with you, but somehow they managed to keep all this hidden with the Seven of Swords and the Hermit energy. I don't know. Let's keep going. Okay. Ace of Pentacles. Alright, so somebody wants another chance. Somebody wants another opportunity. Somebody wants a chance to do better. The wheel spins back around. What are you going to do? You have a second chance at it. Are you going to fumble the bag? What are you going to do? Right now they're recognizing everything as a pentacle. An Ace of Pentacles. A gift. Right? I believe that's where the anxiety may be coming in, because now they're starting to recognize and see who you truly are. Is that an apology of some sort coming forward? or maybe showing admiration to you in your new chapter. Oh, maybe that's what's going on as they're collecting information about you. They see you doing what you're doing. And your new chapter seems to be rather abundant, Miss Queen of Pentacles. Let's get something else on that. Two of Wands. The Hangman. Oh, yeah. So they recognize that you are no longer interested or giving to them whatsoever. Alright? They believe you've moved forward passionately. Possibly even moved. Alright, let's get back to it. Alright, bud. Alright. Alright. Kinda sucks, bro. Alright. Alright. So it's been a long time. Maybe since you guys have spoken. Been or interacted with each other. Oh, since the heartbreak. It's been some time since this particular heartbreak. Somebody was definitely in their shadow side. They were chasing passion. Alright? So they're always using their little wand to get around, I see. I mean, no judgment. Everybody has their phase, right? No? No? Alright, okay. Accountability's not a thing today. Alright, let's go. Okay. Keep moving. King of Wands. So my question is, King of Cups. Okay. I want to know if this King of Wands guy, if he's waiting to come in. He's waiting to come in. But he's still big with the wand energy. I don't know about that. No. I don't know about that. What's his intention? What does he want? Let's figure that out. What does he want? To reconcile, bring peace to the situation. And then what? There's some sort of news he'd like to speak about to you about or let you in on. Alright, an ending, some sort of ending. Okay. So that he can move forward. Because he surrendered and let go of something that kept him stuck and tied to in some sort of obligation. Okay. He's given up some sort of obligation that he was hemmed up in. Alright? In order for him to pursue his wish fulfillment over here. Now the thing is, it took him some time to recognize what his wish fulfillment would be. Or maybe it was this energy detaching from this energy so they two could be single and match this energy. Alright? And in the meantime, they just kept it to themselves. The missed opportunity that they felt. They weren't feeling too high. And they kind of meditated on the Empress. Alright, over here, what do we have? We'll see what they're thinking about now. Alright, so it looks like they're thinking about the leap of faith with this Empress over here. Fixing things and balancing the scales. Again, balancing things out with the Six of Pentacles. Giving some sort of substantial offer. Okay, full circle with the High Priestess. So this is that energy that's been shaking us lately. Okay? This is the energy that's been like, rattling just a little bit. Okay. How do you feel about this? Let me know. What's this devil about? Fear. Fear, fear, fear. Fear, fear, fear. Alright, so we got the blessing on the table. What's the devil about? Obsessing about? Watching the blessing? Getting to the blessing? Researching the blessing? Another energy coming in there. I'm assuming that this King of Wands would be the Knight of Wands, and the King of Cups would be somebody else. At the end of the day, this Empress needs an Emperor, clearly, and they want to be the Emperor. So they're gonna come in and give an offer, attempt, try to talk to get this off the ground, possibly to heal this bad boy so he can be the Emperor. Forgiveness, marriage, counsel, pulling himself out the cold after a period of rest. He's gonna send some communication. What's he resting from? You know what? No, we're not doing that. We're gonna leave this one right here, okay? Now we know what the rattling was all about. Alright, so let's leave this here. Praise to the Most High for a dope breed. You already know we are highly favored and protected. Not too shabby, not too shabby. We're gonna leave this right here. Love and light, guys.